We bought this duplex and this house after being in contract for almost 2 years. We were buying this from a wholesaler. They put it in contract, and the seller also signed a whole bunch of other contracts with a bunch of other wholesalers. He couldn't sell it at first because there was a bunch of other family members that needed to sign off on the property, and they didn't want to sell, but he did. So they put everything on pause, and then about a year later, the one brother died and the seller tried to start selling it again. And on top of that, when he tried to sell it again, another family member came about and said that they signed a fraudulent deed signing the house over to that brother, not allowing him to sell again. And at the very same time, this property and the other property were going through environmental court, and the city was slapping a whole bunch of liens on these houses. And on top of that, about 4 months before we actually bought this property, the mad family member came into the single family house and lit a fire in the living room, which you see right here. So after 2 years of being in contract, going back and forth with title companies, switching title companies 2 or 3 times, we finally bought the properties you're seeing in this video. The house I'm standing in right here, we bought for $95,000. The ARV on this house is mid 300s. And the duplex right here, we bought for $195,000, and the ARV is mid 4s to low 5s. So would you wait up to 2 years to get deals just like this one? I know I would. Go solve some problems and get paid. That's the real side of real estate.